Networking for career growth. Tips for success. Tip 1: Build relationships, not contacts. Networking is about mutual value, not just exchanging contact/cards. Be authentic, listen, engage, and show genuine interest in others. Quality over quantity. Focus on building real, lasting connections. Tip 2: Diversify your network. Expand beyond your field. Don't just connect with people, broaden your horizons. Attend events, join online groups, and talk to people from diverse backgrounds. A diverse network opens doors to new opportunities. Tip 3: Optimize your LinkedIn. Your digital first impression. Keep your profile updated and aligned with your career goals. Use LinkedIn to share insights, connect with industry leaders, and engage with content. Stay active. Regular interaction increases your visibility and credibility. Tip 4: Give before you ask. Be a resource, not just a seeker. Offer help, share opportunities, and support others' growth. Build goodwill. Networking is a two-way street. Helping others makes you more memorable and strengthens your professional ties. Tip 5: Follow up and stay connected. Nurture relationships over time. Send a quick follow-up after meetings to show you're invested. Check in periodically. This keeps your network alive and engaged. Tip 5: Follow up and stay connected. Nurture relationships over time. Send a quick follow-up after meetings to show you're invested. Check in periodically. This keeps your network alive and engaged. Tip 6: Use social media wisely. Engage, don't just broadcast. Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms can be powerful networking tools. Share your knowledge, comment on posts, and connect with like-minded individuals. Be mindful of your tone and professionalism online. Tip 7: Seek mentors. Be a mentor. Grow through guidance. Find mentors who can help you grow and provide valuable insights. Be open to mentoring others. It strengthens relationships and boosts your reputation. Mutual learning is key to long-term career development. Tip 8: Attend networking event. Make every event count. Conferences, meetups, and webinars are great places to make connections. Don't just network, engage in meaningful conversations and follow up. Practice your elevator pitch to make a lasting impression. Tip 9: Show gratitude. Appreciation builds stronger bonds. Simple thank you after advice or a helpful conversation shows respect. Gratitude strengthens your relationship and keeps you top of mind. A little appreciation goes a long way in maintaining a strong network. Final thoughts. Consistency plus patience equals networking success. Networking is a long-term investment in your career. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep nurturing your connections. Remember, your network is one of your most valuable assets.